So here's my video on the Up2stream Mini. They send it to you in a different box, but I had this little project box, and what I did, I modified it a little bit. I took the DAC, bypassed the DAC, so I can use this with another DAC. But otherwise, the DAC in it is fine. It has analog outs right here, and that's the push button here. I augmented that with a little piece of rubber, so you can push it in and out. And this is the power supply, 5 volts. They don't give you it, but you can get it. And I think this whole thing cost me $43.90. And I wanted to test it compared to the Wiim. And to tell you the truth, unless you're really using some very, very high-end system, which I did use it in, the Wiim DAC does sound a little bit better, but I also attached this to my high-end DAC upstairs with my high-end system, just using this as a streamer, coax into my DAC, and it was extraordinary. I mean, it was very, very good. So this with a reasonable DAC is killer. The only problem, the hardest part of this project was drilling the holes. You have to drill 4 holes. And then in here I have some spacers, as you see. I took these from cartridge screws. I put 4 cartridge screws to connect the board to the plastic case. And of course you have to drill the holes, which is very, very delicate. You notice I did kind of a sloppy job in the back here, some scratches and stuff. But this is just an experiment, just to see how this thing really compared to other DACs and other streamers, for that matter. So basically it is a streamer. On the back here, you can see the pins are labeled, so that I was able to take the SPDIF out right here from these 2 pins and connect it over here to the coax RCA plug, and then I could run it to a right now I have it to a small DAC because I'm downstairs and I don't have a decent DAC down here. And basically it works great as a lone streamer and wired in this configuration, so you can use the output of the DAC outputs rather, I'm sorry. So here it is powered on. You can see the light there. Now if I press the button in the back here, I can change it to Bluetooth or back to Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi, by the way, and it was pretty easy to connect. And there you have it, the Mini Up2 streamer.